Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install CodeBlocks in your Windows 10 operating system for C and C++ programming. So let's begin. Now to install CodeBlocks in your Windows 10 operating system, first you need to download it. So for that, just open your favorite browser and in here just type CodeBlocks download. Yeah. And now the first link is this www.codeblocks.org. So just simply click on that. Now this codeblocks.org website has been rightly launched. And now just click on this download the binary release. Yeah. Now in here just scroll a bit. And under this Windows XP Vista 7, 8 or 10, you will be getting these many options to download your CodeBlocks, right? Now in here, I will be recommending you to download this CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. Alright, and this release date is this 29 March 2020. So you basically going to click on this sourceforce.net. Otherwise, if you want to install these CodeBlocks in Linux operating system or any other operating system like Mac OS, so you can scroll down a bit and you can download your installer as per your necessary. Alright, now I'm going to click on this CodeBlocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. So for which I am going to click on this sourceforce.net. Now as you can see, it's rightly mentioned that your download will start shortly. So just wait for a 5 to 4 seconds. And now as you can see, the download has been rightly begun. I have already downloaded it, so I have just simply, so now I'm just going to cancel it and I'm just going to open my download directory. And in here, as you can see, this is this CodeBlock 20.03 MinGW setup has been rightly downloaded. So what I'll be doing is I'll be just simply double click on it and I will minimize this download directory. And now as you can see, this CodeBlocks setup has been rightly opened. So they're basically saying welcome to CodeBlocks setup wizard. So just simply click on next. And you need to just accept this license agreement. So for that, just click on this I agree. Now these are the files that are going to be installed, and also you need to have 531 MB free space in your C directory. So just I will keep this all default and then simply click on next. And this is going to be your installation directory, that is the C program files CodeBlocks. If you want to change your installation directory, then you can simply click on browse and you can change your installation directory. Otherwise, I will keep this all default and just simply click on install. Yeah, and now as you can see, the installation has been rightly begun. So it will take a minute or two maybe, so for which I will be come back once when it gets done. Yeah. So welcome back. And now as you can see, a prompt came from these coding blocks, that is do you want to run CodeBlocks now? So for which I will select no, and I will tell you why I am selecting no. And now the installation has been rightly completed, so for which I will be simply click on next and now finish. And now as you can see, this CodeBlocks icon over on my desktop. So now just simply click on the command prompt and check whether this GCC has been rightly installed or not. So for which just type GCC then space dash version. Now GCC is basically your compiler to to compile your C or C++ program. So for which as you can see, even after installation of these CodeBlocks, GCC is not recognized as an internal or an external command. So that's because this environment path has not been set. You can verify that. So for that, just go to your C directory and now just go to your program files and then go to CodeBlocks. Yeah, and now just click on this MinGW, then bin directory, and now in here if you just type cmd and within this directory, that is the C program files CodeBlocks MinGW bin, if you type gcc space -- version you will see that GCC 8.1.0 has been rightly installed. Alright, but it's not showing in some other directory. That's because the environment path has not been set. So for that, just simply cancel it and just copy this path. The C program files CodeBlocks MinGW bin. So just copy this and then click on your search icon, and in here just type environ, and you will see this option edit the system environment variables. So just simply click on that, and you will see the system property has been directly open, and in here just simply click on this environment variable. Yeah, and now in here under this system variable just click on path and then edit, and then you will see these environment variables will rightly prompt, and in here just simply click on this new, and now just simply paste the path. So basically these program files CodeBlocks MinGW/bin. Now just simply click on OK, then again OK, then again OK, and there we go. Now if you just minimize this and just cancel this and again open your command prompt, and in here if you type gcc space dash dash version, you will see that GCC 8.1.0 has been rightly installed. So now you can see that environment path has been rightly set. So you can simply now open your CodeBlocks. So now as you can see, this CodeBlocks IDE has been rightly launched. And as you can see, this GNU GCC compiler has been rightly detected. So just simply click on OK. Now they basically give you some options. So for which I'm going to click on this yes, associate code blocks with C++ file types. So for which in your machine, whenever you will get this C++ file type, it will automatically suggest you to open that file in this code block. So for which I am going to click this yes, associate code blocks, and then just simply click on OK. So now that your CodeBlocks IDE has been rightly launched, so just click on this icon, that is this new file, then click on this empty file. Yeah, and now in here you can type your C program. So for which I'll be simply typing a simple hello world program. So hash include stdio.h, then int main, and now just I will be simply printing hello world, just end with semicolon and then simply return 0, and now you need to save it. Alright, so for that just Ctrl S, and you will get this prompt, and in here under this document directory, what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a new folder. So for which I'll be clicking on this icon, and then in here I will type C underscore programs, then enter, and then just go inside that directory, and in here I will save my program as prog1.c. yeah, then click on enter for save. And now as you can see, this program has been directly saved as prog1.c. So just simply click on this icon to run, and it will show you to build. So for which I will be click on this yes icon, and now as you can see, this hello world has been rightly shown on our command prompt. Alright, now I will also show you how to create C++ program. So for which just click on this icon new file, and in here just again click on this empty file, and now just simply type a C++ program. So hash include iostream, then int main, and then just simply std : cout, hello world. Yeah. Now I'll just simply return 0. And now just simply Control S to save this file. You need to go a directory back, so for which just click on this icon and then go to document, and in here what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a new folder for our C++ program. So for which just type cpp underscore programs, and now just go inside this cpp program, and now just simply save this program as prog1.cpp. This is very important. To run C++ program, you need to save this file as cpp extension. Alright, now just simply click on save, and there you go. Just simply click on this run icon, and now it will show you to build or not, so for which I'll be clicking yes. And now as you can see, this hello world has been rightly shown on our console. So that's how you install CodeBlocks in your Windows 10 operating system, and also I have also shown you how to run a C program and also a C++ program in your CodeBlocks IDE. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give it a like, and also do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So that's all for this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.